So we do have a new phone today. We do have the Galaxy A7 2018 on the table, and I wanted to check this out. I've been skipping a lot of the A phones recently because I think Samsung's mid-range has been a little bit poor, but I was quite interested in this one because it looks like it's got quite an interesting new design. We are getting an infinity display with a triple camera. I think it's Samsung's first triple camera phone, so similar to your P20 Pro kind of thing, and it's not overly expensive. You can get them for about 300 to 400 euros, so quite affordable for a phone with some decent specification. Let's have a look at the device then. You're also getting Exynos 7885, which is built upon the 14mm process. So I don't think it's the latest process you're going to get with like your Kirin 980, but it should be quite good nevertheless. And let's see what this looks like here. So get these stickers off, quite fixed on. There we go. So this is the device, as you can see. It looks very nice in terms of presentation. Every Samsung phone does. Let's just have a look as well what you get in the box. So you can see you got a quick start guide, charger here, which is quite a decent one. You do get your, it's got old type charging. Wow, that's a bit lame. Wasn't expecting that. And earphones, which are very basic, as you can see, cost cutting. But I was really not expecting old type charging, not type C, which is really weird, but hey ho. Let's have a look then at the device, see how it looks here. Oh, look at that blue, that looks nice. Very shiny. Look at that, that is a nice chunk of phone here. And I don't think you're going to get that even with your Note in terms of the colour. It looks like kind of like a very deep indigo blue. Let's just see the Note here, as you can see. Looks even flashier, which is pretty nice. Let's get that sticker off. And Duos, so dual SIM. Got your tri-camera there, a little flash. But really, old type charging, seriously, that is a bit of a fail, I've got to admit. Headphone jack, which is good though. And let's boot it on. So we're getting your Android 8.0 Oreo. You're getting always on display, unspecified Gorilla Glass. 24 megapixel main camera, which is the wide one, f1.7. You're getting 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, so I'm guessing that's like your LG camera, and a depth sensor of 5 megapixel. So lots of technology for the camera there. Bluetooth 5.0. You're also getting 3300 battery. Which should last quite a while here. So we'll just quickly go through this, see if the touch, I nearly said TouchWiz then. See if the, what is it called nowadays, Samsung Experience is any good here. You get your face recognition, which is nice. And we'll just go through this. So you can see, compared to the higher end Samsung phones, you are getting a little bit more bezel. It doesn't look quite as, shall we say, high-end, but it still looks pretty nice nevertheless, as you can see. Bixby still on there, which I still haven't really ever checked out and probably never will, because it's completely unnecessary. Let's have a look at your wallpapers. And you can go in here, there's the themes, so that's the default theme. And you got a whole host of new wallpapers. Look at that, that looks quite nice. So very colourful. Let's have a look at your brightness levels. So this is on the max brightness here, as you can see. You are getting the OLED nice colours, etc. Does it have the HDR support? I'm guessing it doesn't, given the more mid-range price. Doesn't look like it. Let's have a look at the settings just to confirm that. And in the settings here you can see home screen, nav bar. So it looks like quite a basic mid-range kind of Samsung experience here. You are lacking the stuff that you do get on the higher end Samsung. Let's have a look at the camera and wrap the video off. So let's just give this a little shine here. So it feels very nice around the edges, you know, it's quite comfortable in the hand. It's about the same size as the Note actually. So you can see it takes a shot quite quickly. And that is the quality there, so a little bit more mid-range. Even though it has got 3 cameras, I do think the camera is going to be a little bit more mid-range than your higher end phones. But you do get quite a lot of modes here, as you can see. Slow-mo. What do we get for the video recording? So let's see, Pro, Panorama. Full HD, so no 4K unfortunately. You do get a HDR mode though, which is good. So you can definitely see there's some compromises here when it comes to the A series phone, but it does look like a very nicely constructed piece of glass and metal, or glass and plastic. So we'll be doing some videos on it, seeing how it does compare, particularly against Nokia and what they're doing. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.